Welcome to the master bedroom here at the My Feather Nest Farmhouse. This room has recently went through a restyle. Nothing major, just some different items placed here and there, different rug, different bedding. And I wanted to show this to you guys, especially at the Christmas season, because I do have some added Christmas touches in this master bedroom. So this is the new bedding that I picked up from Belk. It is the Biltmore brand and I love it. I was going for more of an English country, chinoiserie, shabby chic, with a little bit of thrown in Victorian in there in my master bedroom. I love the way that it turned out. It's just perfect. You can see that my pillows, I have lots of pillows on my bed. It drives my husband crazy, but I'm the one that makes the bed, so it's okay. Anyway, so this quilt is something that I've had. I did try to use some new with some things that I had. This is something that I picked up from the thrift store. I love thrifted items and love using them when I can in with the new stuff. It's always nice. These pillows came from the Goodwill. That crocheted pillow that you see in the center, that's also from Goodwill. And if you don't know, I love Boyd's Bears. It's something that I collected back in the early 90s when I had first had my oldest daughter, who is now 25. I'm kind of bringing them back. I had given a lot of my collection to my one daughter, and I've kind of acquired a taste for them again. So I have been finding them and rescuing them from the Goodwills and from antique stores, and I try to use them where I can. I just think they're precious. I love them. This one, and she's dressed in her little blue jumper, so she fits perfectly. So these sheets are something I picked up from Amazon and I highly recommend them. They are great quality and the ruffle detailing is beautiful. I will make sure that I link everything that I purchased from Amazon down in the description box. You guys will have to check all of that out. The Gingham pillow Euro Shams that you see right here, the inserts are 26 by 26. They're also from Amazon, as well as the Gingham pillow covers. Highly recommend them, you guys. They are just great. The down feather is so fluffy and it just makes the perfect Euro Sham to karate chop. And I love the way that it's turned out. So this little cute, unique bed tray is something that I picked up from the thrift store. I would like to get a vase of some faux florals, like maybe in the white color, just to give a little bit more detail on the bed itself. I also picked up these beautiful crushed velvet curtains from Amazon. I highly recommend them. I probably need to get my steamer out and kind of steam them. I was hoping that the wrinkles would just fall out, but I can see it's not quite falling out like I was hoping, which, by the way, I have got an unbelievably awesome steamer. It's from Shark. I will try to see if they have it on Amazon. I'll link it. I highly recommend it. This cute little marble-topped side table is something I also picked up from the thrift store, as well as the floor lamp, which unfortunately does not work. I'm going to either have to have my husband rewire it, or I may just try a battery-operated light bulb. I'll see how that goes. This beautiful Victorian dancing picture is something that I picked up. I think it was only $5 from the thrift store. I loved the colors. I loved the vibe of it. So beautiful. I also left the top of my dresser here blank for right now. I'm going to try and collect more of those crystal frames and put more family portraits out. I don't have a lot of them in my decor, but it's something that's bothering me. I'm really wanting to find ways to use them. And if you know me and my husband at all, you know there's a story behind frog princes. I've been promising to share that, and I promise I will get to it eventually. Oh, how I love the way that this cozy corner turned out. So the bride and groom frog that you see right there is so sweet and precious to me. This was a gift that my husband got for me, and it was in a box of a dozen red roses. He actually had his mom secretly bring it to the restaurant when he asked me to marry him, or we were celebrating our engagement. So I love them. They're super sweet and sentimental to me. Me and my husband both love these style of lamps. This was something that was my mom's, and so it makes it that much more special. But we just love the way that they look and how you can light up the different areas of the lamp itself. So this chair I just recently picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. I love the upholstery on it. It's the blue and white toile as well as the blue and white buffalo check. So sweet for this room, just matched my vibe so perfectly. I also picked up a couch that matches it perfectly that I'm using in our foyer right now. And yes, here is the ugly of the room, the ugly TV, you guys. If I had it on right now with a cute little YouTube screensaver or something, it would look so much better. But what do? We do, unfortunately, watch TV in the bed. I know that's kind of a controversial subject, but it's what we do. We are big, huge fans, fun fact, of Star Trek. So the original, by the way. So we typically like to watch that at night in here. And so this rug is something that I already had. I was going to buy another rug, but when I realized I had this one, I just got my old faithful carpet cleaner out, cleaned that puppy up, and it looks great. So as you guys were told a second ago, my fireplace is a non-working fireplace at the time. So to combat that problem, I just use a big candle holder that I did pick up from the thrift store, and I burn candles in it. And it gives it that fireplace vibe. I love that. Now this tree, you guys, these pink lights are something else. I am not sure how I feel about them. I wish now that I would have put some white lights in with the pink lights. I think it would have toned down some of that crazy pink color. I don't know, it's different, but we're not really sure how we feel about that. My husband said that he has a hard time looking at it. It like hurts his eyes. So yeah, we'll have to address that problem next year. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about that on fire, crazy, hot pink light tree. I'm curious. Thank you guys so much for following me along today on my tour of my master bedroom here at the farmhouse. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have watched until the very end, you have no idea how much I appreciate it. It really helps me out so much. Merry Christmas, everybody.